Takes and bakes. Turn around. Jumper. That's short. Who's gonna get it? AJ Mandani. Nice tap mula kay Hodge. But he was trapped at the baseline and threw it away.
It's actually too deep under the basket. He wanted to kick it out or at least a short drop pass. Pero he was really covered underneath by Almazan.
Almazan to shoot. Quick ball movement. Doesn't stay in one person's hands too long para rito sa Raiders sign. But Jervy Cruz, gusto sana puntahan si Almazan. Sabi niya, ba't ka kumat? Dito ko sana kukunin sa gitna eh.
Doon daw yung bakante. Pero maganda ng dinipensa ng Meralco Bolts. Wala makitang maayos yung mapapasahan doon ng Rainer Shine.
Very miscue para sa Rainer Shine. So a chance for Meralco to capitalize. Ito si Cliff Hodge. Jeff Chan ang kalaban. Mas malakas si Hodge. Proves it.
Makikita mo na aktibong-aktibo itong si Cliff Hodge, lalong-lalo na sa low post. Talagang kailangan niyang doble ng kanyang effort, lalo na kulang sila sa malaking floor.
Here's Jeff Chan, drive naman ngayon. Strong side niya, pasok ang tira. Chance pa para sa 3-point play. Jeff Chan coming alive.
You can see how aggressive Jeff Chan is. Hindi niya basta-basta hinahanap yung shots from the outside. Now, he's even taking it from the basket in spite of the zone defense ng Meralco.
14 points na para kay Jeff. Make it 15 doon sa bonus free throw. Ano nangyari sa last huddle ng Meralco? Malalaman natin. Apple David.
Sa huling huddle ni Coach Ryan, ang sabi niya sa Bolts, on defense, challenge all the shots of Rainer Shine and get the rebound. On offense naman, be more aggressive going to the paint. Pinaalala din niya sa Bolts na last game going to the fourth, tambak sila ng 18 and ngayon, down by 12 lang siya going to the fourth and still, win this. Mukhang masama nga talaga ang pakiramdam nito ni Brian Bush na hindi na niya natatapos yung mga huddle ni Coach Ryan. At dumedere siya sa trash bag sa gilid ng kanilang bench para magsuka.
So
It's really bad, Charlie. You could really see nakatungo lang si Brian Bush on the bench. He's not really feeling well. So yun na nga in games like this, you really just have to rely on your locals. Everybody would really have to step up.
ito si Cliff Hodge, obviously following the game plan doon sa last huddle na kwento nga ni Apple, trying to take it to the basket, got fouled, pero nagmintis ng kanyang unang free throw, makes the second one to cut the lead back down to 12. And if you're Meralco, concerned ka na ng konti dahil it started at 12, 2 minutes in, it's still 12. You gotta try to chop down that lead little by little. Turn it up on defense on this side. Tingnan natin without that big center inside. Let's see if Rainer Shine can take advantage. Chan, drive naman. Kanan ang atake, pero kaliwa pa rin at the end. And he draws another foul. Jeff Chan slowly getting back to form, getting his groove.
And the thing about it, Charlie, itong si Jeff Chan, you know, he takes a lot of shots from the outside. But so far, 2 times down the floor, sinasaksakan niya yung depensa eh.
Ito yung drive kanina ni Jeff Chan. May foul counted pa na nangyari. Eliciting the V-Fresh. Sigaw ng Bayan brought to us by V-Fresh. Karunungan, kabutihan, kapayapaan. Bukang bibig sa lamig. Back to 14. Yung lamang ng Rainer Shine on the Jeff Chan free throws. Here's Gary D. Explicates. Takes the jumper. Bounces low. Offensive rebound and putback. Wala kay Cliff Hodge.
Nauna doon ang talon ni Raymond Almazan and he wasn't able to box out Cliff Hodge.
Double digits na si Cliff Hodge on points 10 already in this game. 9.5 remaining sa ating laro. PY goes to Jervy. Side jumper. It rolls long. Ito si Cliff Hodge. Rebound. Siya na rin nagdala ng bola. Goes to Dillinger. Dillinger, the dribble in the paint. Uses his strength. Bumps out the defender. Gets space.
A good attack there by Jared Dillinger. Ginamit niya yung kanyang katawan. Pinangbangga niya dun sa dumidepensa sa kanya. Nakakuha ngayon siya ng easy basket after that.
Down to 10 ang lamang ng Rainer Shine. But Jeff Chan gusto bang dagdagan yan. 3 doesn't go. Nice tap from Sena away from Almazan. So Meralco gets that ball back to Gary D. Open from 3 from the right. Another 3 from Gary D. That's brought to us by the PLDT Home Great Payday Sale happening on March 28th to 32nd. 3 from Gary. Same spot.
Well, actually, yun yung nakita natin in that last game. Kung anong ginagawa ng Meralco is exactly what they did with their 21. They're making things hard for their opponent here in the 4th period.
The miscue on that pass. T.Y. Tang looking away. Bago pa man niya nasalo yung bola. So that's a turnover. 7 na lang ang lamang ng Rainer Shine. Meralco trying to make back-to-back comebacks dito sa ating Commissioner's Cup. JD wants to take Jeff Chan. Challenge is minutes. On the way up, may reach in. Jeff siya matatawagan ng personal. That's gonna be the third personal for Jeff.
The thing with Jared Dillinger, nailalapit na talaga ng malalim yung bola. That's why it's just easy for him to be able to get off his shot because it's way too close to the basket already.
For a guy 6'3", 6'4", he has impeccable dribbling skills. Ito si Jared Dillinger able to take that ball into the lane with confidence. This PLDT Home Evolution PBA Commissioner's Cup is presented to us by PLDT Home Evolution. Catch the PLDT Home Great Payday Sale from March 28 to 30. Short on the second free throw. Ito si Dillinger made one, so the lead is just 6. Rain or shine. Jeff Chan open from 3. And they keep daring him to shoot from their partner. Somebody's missing that assignment. And siniswerte lang ang Meralco na hindi pumapasok yan past 2 times down.
Exactly. And, if you're defending Jeff Chan, you really wouldn't want to give up that 3-point shot because he was actually hitting them in the first half. So far, yun na nga eh. May good break pa rito ang Meralco kasi hindi nagpapasok ni Pier sa labas. But a nice pass there by Jeremy.
What a play mula kay Jeremy Cruz. The defense collapsed to him. Na-recognize niya agad si Elrod. Nandun lang sa ilalim mag-aantay.
The Meralco defense has been collapsing, Charlie, and that's the reason why you really have to move the ball around.
Gary D pushes it over to Dillinger. Nasa kanto si Mandani. Bring it back out atop the arc once again. 6-second shot clock. What's Mandani gonna do? He's gonna try to drive it in. The looper inside. He gets it.
Good shot there by Mandani. Naubos na yung shot clock and he had to put up that shot.
What an awesome shot mula rito kay Mandani. That should hit the highlight reels. Lead is 6 para sa Rain or Shine, protecting a lead they got since early in the game. Wala yung turnaround ni Jeremy Cruz. Hodge tumatakbo. Challenging ang depensa nito si Chris Chu. Foul ang matatawag kontra kay Chris Chu. Hodge will go to the line para sa dalawang free throws and he helps Chris Chu up in a nice show of sportsmanship. 7-12 natitira dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. And yung banggaan ng dalawang mama, free throw. Meralco Bolts once again trying to make a spirited comeback dito sa ating fourth quarter. Lots of guys helping out. One of them, AJ Mandani with this Petron cool under pressure move. Throwing it up, swishing it in. That's brought to us by Petron Coolant. Always cool under pressure, protects against overheating. Trusted by 8 out of 10 drivers. And this quarter, Eric started 12-point lead ng Rain or Shine. Tapos ngayon, last in half, 6 points na lang lamang ng Rain or Shine because Meralco has come alive here, at least on the offensive end, able to bring it close to the basket.
Unti-unti talaga ng Meralco Bolts ang itong lead ng Rain or Shine. Rain or Shine has to really be careful here because Meralco has done this. Well, sa bagay, itong Rain or Shine, ginagawa-gawa rin naman dito ng Rain or Shine. No? But of course, they really have to be extremely careful because they had a good-sized lead. 15-point lead, ang pinakamataas na lamang ng Rain or Shine in this game.
Well, it's down to just 4 dun sa dalawang free throws ni Cliff Hodge. So, 4 na lang lamang ng Rain or Shine. Kung makaya nag-report nga si Apple, sabi ni Coach Ryan, dati down tayo by 18, nanalo pa tayo. At kung parang iba, sabi niya, ito, 12 lang, hinahabol natin, kayang-kaya. And they seem to have taken that to heart. Let's see how Larry Rodriguez and Rain or Shine respond to that. Larry Rodriguez, turn around, the hook. Doesn't go, rebound taken by Jared Dillinger. PBA fans starting to get used to these comebacks in the fourth quarter. Partner nangyari rin kagabi. Sunbig Red Barako Bull. Gary D. Naagaw ni Jeff Chan. He's ahead. Let's see if Dillinger will chase him down. He does. A foul. Jared Dillinger unable to believe it. Sabi ng ating baseline referee, natamaan down on top of the head. Jeff Chan is still lying on the floor. Slowly getting up. Let's see what happens.
Steal right there at dire-diretso na nga dito si Jeff Chan.
Well, look at a phantom call there. It's a play na yun. There didn't seem to be any contact at all. May report si Apple David tungkol sa last huddle naman ng Rain or Shine.
Patience on offense and move the ball. Yan ang sabi ni Coach Yengaw sa huli niyang timeout. Dagdag pa ni Bo Belga. Gana-gana naman ng konti mga Brad. Balik sa inyo.
Gana-gana sakto. Actually, tutulog-tulog na nga yung nangyari ng Rain or Shine. That's why nakakabalik itong Meralco Bolts. Yun naman ang magiging observation ng guys on the bench.
6-point lead, 6 minutes and a half remaining. Babalik kami. Balikan ang blockbuster na finals ng nakaraang Philippine Cup. Sundan ang ibang mga bukod-tanging kwento sa likod ng seryeng ito sa kwentong PBA. March 30 na, 9:15 p.m. sa TV5. And we're back here at the Big Dome. It's a 6-point lead para sa Rainer Shine. 81-75, 6.5 sakto natitira dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Brian Butch on your screens. And Eric, na-report ka ni Apple, wasn't feeling well, hasn't played that well in this ball game, has been throwing up during timeouts.
Well, kailangan na talagang gamitin. No choice si Coach Brian because binalik na rin ni Coach Jeng si McLean on the floor.
Probably finish this ball game if they can. Ito si Butch. Top of the key, hesitated dun sa tres. Dillinger na lang daw titira mula dyan. It bounces out. Sena with the offensive rebound.
It's a big opportunity there by Meralco because of the defensive rebound.
Gary D open for 14. Drills the jumper. Balik sa apat ang lamang ng Rainer Shine.
Good hesitation move there by Gary. He was about to pass it off. Pero nakita nga niya na walang tumatao sa kanya. And he had an open jumper. 20 points already by Gary David.
Jose Rodriguez goes to lead. They go to the post. McLean. Kontra dito kay Sena. Decides to go all the way out. The swing to Gabe Norwood from 3. That's short. Rebound. Who's gonna get it? Butch stopped it away to the wrong guy. So second chance opportunity para dito sa Rainer Shine. Press 24. Now down to 16. Norwood jumping.
Again, nakakontribute na naman to si Gabe Norwood. He's actually missing his shots after a great first quarter. Pero dito naman, he actually got the confidence going again.
Tama yun, very confident shot on that play. Dillinger naman, spin move! The lane, he's been getting there at will, Parker, dito sa ating fourth quarter.
Well, yun talaga ang role ni Jared Dillinger. He actually wants to break down that defense and penetrate. Kaya naman it leaves a lot of things open either for him or for his teammates.
14 puntos na para kay Jared Dillinger. Once again, coming alive dito second half, especially here in the fourth quarter. Parang huling laro lang nila. Paul Lee fading away. Getting the long two kung pumasok, wala. McLean cleared space, offensive rebound. His put back doesn't go. Ito si Mandani. Walang kasama. Off the floor, nakakampi. Waits for his teammates. Sees the lane is open. The drive. That was practically in. Niluwa pa ng ring for AJ Mandani.
So far, he's actually trying his best also to penetrate the basket. Malas-malas na talaga at hindi pa pumasok.
Biggest swing to lead. The back in McLean on the post. Shovel pass to Rodriguez. No go. Who's going to get the rebound? Dillinger saves it to Sena. 4 minutes, 11 seconds remaining in this game. Eric, what we thought was already going to be a blowout. Humabol na naman ang Meralco. Mandani asking for some space. Good push. Dillinger, 4 seconds on the clock. Gary with the ball. Stopped away at naubusan ang oras ang Meralco.
Meralco was going too long in that last play. They had some opportunities already. Maganda rin kahit naman ang dinipensa ng Rainer Shine not giving an easy opening to the Bolts.
Yun na nga, Brian Butch, kala natin na baka hanggang sa dulo na ng laro, but he seems like he can't hack it, so linabas na. Itong si Brian Butch, Chris Hodges in the game. Double. Gary D tried to double itong si Paul Lee, but he was able to escape that. 14 seconds shot clock para sa Rainer Shine. McLean. Drive mula dyan kay Alex McLean. Lead is back to 6.
Well, he's asserting himself because he's the biggest man. Nilabas si Brian Butch, kaya naman McLean would just have to take it strong in the shaded area.
Second timeout is called. Nakita natin, parang na-excite ito si McLean pag nawawala si Brian Butch dyan sa gitna. Hardly any resistance from the big guys of Meralco, just lacking height to challenge ito si McLean.
Well, that's his opportunity right there to really go to the basket. But defenders would, the locals would have to do something with McLean because they don't have Butch anymore. So far, hindi nga makatagal talaga si Butch because masama na nga yung kanyang nararamdaman.
21 points para rito kay Alex McLean. This is his last game. We can see he's bumping, he's grinding, he's working hard para sa kanyang kumpanan. True professional, as most of them are. Malapit na, PBA All-Star Weekend. Abangan ang pagsasama-sama ng paborito niyong PBA players. Ang highlight niyan, Bakbakang Gilas Pilipinas kontra PBA All-Stars. PBA All-Star Weekend, April 4 to 6 na yan, dito sa TV5. Still anybody's ball game with 3:31 remaining. Shine, lamang pa rin. Nakuha nila yan sa kalagitnaan ng ating first quarter at hindi nila binitawan ng lamang sa larong ito. Last time Meralco led was way back the first few minutes of the game. Sena looking for Gary D. Nowhere to go. Labas muli kay Dillinger. 10 seconds na nitira sa kanilang shot clock. Dillinger drives sa lane. Wala sa kanyang bola. McLean picks it up. Gabe Norwood goes back out to Paul Lee. Not in a hurry itong rain or shine. In fact, palakad-lakad lang going up ito si Bo Belga. Down to 9. Z in the lane. Kick to Gabe Norwood. 3 mula sa kanto. That's too strong. Rebound. AJ Mandani. Mandani trying to go in the middle. He kick to Hodge. Here's Sena. Lots of time being consumed. Ito si Hodge. Hodge will go into the lane. Go up against Belga. A hook is short. Gets it right back on the way up. Losing it. Gabe Norwood gets the ball. Defensive play mula kay Gabe Norwood. And Paul Lee on the other end. The 3 rolls out. Jeff Chan with a putback.
Good thing for Jeff Chan to be at the right place at the right time to get an offensive rebound. Malaking bagay dun yung putback ni Jeff Chan because it gives them that 8-point lead.
Jeff Chan in this game, 21 points. Ito yung tira a while ago. The miss and Jeff Chan for the 2. His team is up by 8, 86. Mga kapatid, subaybayan natin Kwentong Gilas sa Sports 5 documentary. That's on April 1, 9:30 ng gabi dito sa TV5. And the next episode, tampok dyan si The Blur, Jason Castro William.
Paano kaya siya nakuna ng camera nun?
Yun na nga, masyado siya mabilis eh. Diba? Pero siya lang tinan natin, sa magandang performance ng ating koponan ng Gilas Pilipinas, siya ang na-name dun sa Mythical 5 ng FIBA Asia Tournament as the best point guard. So talagang inspiring performance from him. His first stint in the international arena. Mamaya naman, Barangay Ginebra kontra sa Air 21 pagkatapos ng larong ito. Ready na for that. As the fans anticipating that. But so far, we got a good game here. 8-point lead para sa Rain or Shine. Pero 2:22 na lang natitira para sa Meralco. Trying to catch up again. Ito si Mandani. Wanted to go to hook natin. Hindi maibigay ang bola. Lumabas na si Reynal para kunin yan. 10 seconds na lang sa shot clock ng Meralco. Gary David spins away from Bo Belga. There's a mismatch here. We don't know who's and apparently Bo Belga able to steal it away. Belga on the run. The pass to McLean. Layup na naman para kay Alex McLean.
The good play there by Bo Belga. One stop at nakakuha naman ng transition basket.
1 minute and 50 remaining and the lead is up to 10. Meralco faltering here sa end game. Cliff Hodge. He's been playing strong. Hook shot niya. Offline. Gabe Norwood nakakuha na naman ng rebound. Hodge dagger look dito kay McLean on that rebound play. But they gotta get down on defense. Try to come back. Anderson very comfortable. The lob to Alex McLean. Hindi pumasok. Ang lay-in and a hard foul mula rito kay Cliff Hodge. McLean just smiles going to the free throw line.
Iniindahan na lang din talaga si Cliff Hodge kasi sila ang lamang and they're up by 10 points with a minute and a half left. He just has to stay focused in the game because he wants a victory for Rain or Shine.
Alex McLean, 19 points so far. Pwede pang dagdagan yan dito sa pangalawang free throw. Aranya is in the game as Jeff Chan will sit. Ito Meralco, they gotta hurry. They want to come back here. The lead is 12. What a disadvantage, Eric, para dito sa Meralco Bolts sapagkat dito si Brian Butch now was very, very far from 100% throughout this ball game. And they lost his production, which they had been getting in their first 3 weeks.
Well, malaking bagay si Brian Butch. Not only is he a factor in the shaded area to intimidate a lot of those guys driving to the lane, pero yung 3-point shooting, yung presence in the shaded area, nakita niya in that previous game, lalo-lalo against Air 21. So, it's really going to be tough for Meralco, lalo-lalo if they have their import on the bench.
Aranya's jump. Pasok pa rin yan. You know, with 46.3 remaining, looks like Rain or Shine is back on the winning track after 2 losses in a row. A terrible one last time out. Let's see. 46.3 remaining in this game, but they're well on their way to grabbing their second victory.
Tsaka isa pa dyan, Charlie, napapag-usapan na nga natin si Brian Butch on the bench. Doon nakarami talaga si McLean because he's the biggest guy. He dominated the shaded area, most especially when the import of Meralco is sitting out.
Ito, next 3 games ng Rain or Shine is gonna be Global Port, tapos Talk and Text, tapos Air 21. Yung Air 21 games sa MOA Arena gagawin yan. And you know, this conference, the elimination round is fast coming to a close, di ba? We're more than halfway through for some teams. Bolts naman, ang next kalaban nila, Eric, of Ginebra, Barako, tapos San Nick. Talagang mahirap ang buhay ng isang koponan sa PBA because the teams, ultra competitive, everybody wants to get into that final 8.
Saka mahirap nga doon, 9 games eh. That's actually, si Brian Butch not really feeling well. You could see it in his eyes. Talagang, and it's been reported na he's not really, in the best shape because of, may trangkaso ito si Brian Butch the past couple of days.
Inbound Gary V, trying to look for someone to come in. Tapos Mandani kumuha niyan. Tapos may tulak daw si Paul Lee, sabi ni referee Jimmy Mariano. Tatlong personal ni Paul Lee yan. Hardly matters now. It's only 44.7 remaining. Ito si Dillinger. He'll take that three-pointer. Wide right there. So rebound play. Huknatan, able to get it back. Goes to Gary D. No hesitation from three-point country. Too strong as well. Cliff Hodge gets it. 3 fakes. Pakangat. Supalpal. Dalawa nakabantay. McLean, Norwood. Both stays with Meralco.
Cliff has really been battling it out under the basket, pero ang lalaki ng mga big guys ng Rain or Shine doon. Really very hard for him to power himself up.
22.4 na lang natitira. And they're verifying kung sino ba hulit na lang nakatapik ng bola. As we see Cliff Hodge breaking out with a smirk. He fought hard today to see Cliff Hodge.
Well, he tried to get things going for Meralco, but yun nga lang, because of the size advantage, lalong-lalo, you have an import right here.
Yung play a while ago. Bolts ball, sabi ng ating venue announcer. With 22.4 remaining, just a second and 4/10 remaining, separating the game clock and the shot clock, so they can practically hang on. But they decide to take 3. Pope Belga, inulak na nihug natin. Hindi na pumita yung referee. Clear rebound na naman yun. At pa-dribble na lang si Bo. And Rain or Shine, holding on. Meralco threatened here in the 4th quarter, Eric. Naka-address pa. That 3 is brought to us by the PLDT Home Great Payday Sale, happening on March 28 to 30. Hold on na ito, Rain or Shine partner. They got the lead early in the game, never relinquished it. Although nakalapit ng 4 ang Meralco dito sa 4th quarter, hindi na nila kinayang humabol muli in 2 games in a row.
Well, it would have been different pag kompleto ang Meralco because of course lalong-lalo they had a nice run in the 4th. Pero there's just a lot of big guys, most especially McLean. The presence of McLean in the shaded area making life difficult for Meralco to get inside.
So the spread is 17, 96 to 79. Bounce back game, Rain or Shine after 2 consecutive losses. Meralco naman loses after 2 wins. And well, we'll see if McLean will still play in their next game. The news is he won't anymore. Brian Butch naman. Tingnan natin with the development happening na may sakit siya. Baka naman mapalitan din. We'll see as well. The best player of the ball game, partner.
Jeff Chan, actually a great all-around performance here by Jeff. He took it early, most especially yung mga driving niya to the basket. Nakakuha siya ng magandang kumpiyansa. Pumikada siya from 3-point range. Nagtuloy-tuloy ang ganda ng laro ni Jeff Chan na nakatapos sa laro.
21 puntos para kay Jeff Chan. 6 of 14 from the field and perfect from the free throw line. All 8 of his free throws pumasok. Sa ngalan ng aking partner, Eric Reyes, si Apple David nasa courtside. Ako po si Charlie Cuna. Maraming salamat for joining us on this first game of PBA Wednesday. Stay tuned for Air 21 in Ginebra.